The side-to-side moving incline push-up is a beginner-friendly modification of the traditional side-to-side moving push-up. By performing this variation on an incline, the exercise becomes easier. This looks similar to the side-to-side incline push-up, however, the only difference is with this moving variation, the feet also shift side to side rather than staying in one spot. This move primarily targets the upper chest, shoulders, and triceps while engaging the core for stability. Here's how to do it correctly. Get into a push-up position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width on one side of a sturdy elevated surface such as a bench, box, or step. To make the exercise easier, increase the height of the surface, decrease the height to make it more challenging. Lower your chest towards the edge of the surface by bending your elbows, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. As you push back up to the starting position, shift your body by moving your outside hand and foot beside your inside hand and foot, then shift your inside hand and foot to the other side of the bench. Perform another push-up, then shift your body back to the original side of the bench. Continue alternating sides with each push-up, focusing on maintaining proper form and control throughout the movement. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.